What is a juvenile detention center? A juvenile detention center, sometimes called a juvenile hall, is where teenagers and children are sent after being accused of committing a crime or after being sentenced of committing a crime. These centers are meant to provide temporary housing, rehabilitation, and support for juveniles. What is considered abuse in a juvenile detention center? Abuse in these facilities can take many different forms. Some of the most common include sexual abuse, physical abuse, emotional abuse, educational neglect, medical neglect, and inhumane conditions. Other forms of neglect may also qualify. Here at Torham Law, we provide free confidential consultations to review your case. Why weren't these abuses stopped? In many cases, leadership failed to act. Reports were often ignored or mishandled and not reported to law enforcement agencies. This culture of silence allowed abusers to continue harming children without consequence for many years. Anyone who is abused in a juvenile detention center may be eligible for this lawsuit. That includes survivors of emotional abuse, sexual abuse, and physical abuse, whether the abuse came from staff, other detainees, or both. What states are these cases happening in? Abuse has been reported in facilities across the United States. Torham Law is actively pursuing cases in Illinois and Missouri, and we will consider cases nationwide. What about the statute of limitations? The statute of limitation, or legal deadlines, can be complex in these cases. Because the survivors were children at the time the abuse occurred, many states allow for extended deadlines. Some states allow for revival laws that reopen the window of claims that would have otherwise expired. Even if you think too much time has passed, you may still have legal options. Will my story remain private? Yes, survivors can pursue claims confidentially. At Torham Law, we handle every case with respect and sensitivity. You do not have to share your story publicly to seek justice. How much does it cost to hire a lawyer? Our firm works on a contingency fee basis, which means you pay nothing up front. We only get paid if we successfully resolve your case. This allows survivors to pursue justice without having to worry about costs. If you or someone you love has experienced sexual abuse, physical abuse, or emotional harm at a juvenile detention facility, we encourage you to take the first step today. Visit our website at thlawyer.com and use our free chatbot or contact us directly. You are not alone, and there are legal options available to hold these facilities accountable.